Hello everybody, Cal Banyan here, professional hypnotist and hypnotherapist. You know, I'm going to talk about a particular item that is a very popular item of mine, and particularly in our certification courses where people really get a chance to understand what it's all about. And it is my advanced hypnotherapy training, Spirit Releasement Hypnotherapy for the Professional. Now, this particular CD set, and it's audio, came out as a result of the National Guild of Hypnotists chapter in Minneapolis wanting me to teach them my process of spirit releasement. And I was kind of reluctant because I've always wanted to be, you know, the more clinical hypnotist, and even though I'm a spiritual person and I do spiritual work, I didn't want to be famous for it, because I really knew that in some people's mind, if you do spiritual work, and you're a little, crazy. But I believe that if you do enough sessions, you're going to run into situations that are really out of the norm. And in this particular CD set, it's two presentations that I gave and a demonstration of me working with spiritual issues. And let me just read some of the bullets from the back. A professional approach to uncovering and dealing with these spiritual issues. Now, what kind? Commonly, we have the issue where there is what we call an attached entity, and that is really a dead person who is somehow influencing that person's life. And the other kind is what we call dark force entities. And these are malevolent creatures in spiritual form who are having a negative effect on the person's life. So it's how to uncover, how to find both these ignorant spirits and these dark force entities. The procedures for the removal of each. And I was so fortunate. Before I did this presentation, another hypnotherapist came to my office to work on an issue. And he had no clue that there was a spiritual issue going on inside of him, such as this. And in the process of the session, we uncovered one of these creatures that was influencing his life. And so it gave me the opportunity to do that work and have it recorded for posterity, really. And I got permission from that individual to use the audio from that recording to demonstrate to these hypnotherapists in a professional way how these problems can be found and neutralized. So it's a step-by-step procedure on how to find, how to respond, and how to neutralize these issues when they exist. Also, there was a number of handouts from the class, and all the handouts are there. Let me tell you, heart to heart, especially if you do enough age regression and forgiveness therapy like the 5-pathers do, sooner or later you're going to run into one of these spiritual issues, and you really owe it to yourself to have some idea of how to handle it. And so this is it. It is the Spirit Releasement Hypnotherapy for the Professional CD set. I encourage you to get it, add it to your library, and you'll be ready for one of those strange, weird things comes up. Okay, this is Cal Banyan, as always, signing off.